Welcome back, everyone. So if you know me by now, you know I am very impulsive and I always have plans going on. So let me show you the next project. If you look here, obviously you've seen my backyard quite a bit. We have this beautiful garden we just put in on this side, right? This is so empty over here, and I was just really wanting a flower cut garden or a cut flower garden in this area. Now I do want to leave a little bit of space, and since my backyard is on a slouch, like it has like a hill going down, I would have to stop it kind of right here. Now this is perfect because I have plans for this little area. Now I have drawn up, anytime you see me with grid paper, you already know it's about to be serious and my husband's gonna have a project to do. Even though I can do it myself, I'm pregnant and I'd rather him do it. But this is kind of my plans now. And it's windy, so this paper sucks. That bottom area at the bottom is where that trellis picture is gonna be. And then I'm gonna add 2 more boxes, but they're gonna be 6-foot boxes right in front of these. I think it's gonna look super pretty, and I'm finally gonna get the cut garden I want. Just know that if you get dahlias and you make them work, you're gonna end up wanting a cut flower garden, because planting's addicting, flowers are addicting, and now I can't help myself. Now I'm like way too excited about this. How are we feeling?
Tired, exhausted.
Look at that. Oh my gosh. These are the little ones that are going to go with the trellis arch thing he's going to build me. But gosh, look at this. It is so good. So my husband got done with 2 of the boxes. These are going to be the front 2 that are going to have the trellis he's going to build right here. And then we're going to have the 6-inch long ones right behind them. They look really good. This is an update. It's been a while. We finally got this one almost complete. We're just waiting for those top pieces of wood on there. And then these, obviously, I went ham with zinnia seeds and planted my dahlias in it. So they're thriving. But this is kind of what we got going on so far. I'm really excited because it's looking good. And then he still has to make that trellis arch thing right here. But other than that, it's looking really good. It has been some time. I have already had my child. It's been a month since I've had him. So we pretty much finished the little area. We just have a few minor finishing touches, but it is the end of the summer. Everything's pretty dead and we're going into the fall. But I just wanted to show you what it looks like. This is what we ended up going with. This beautiful trellis I was able to get at this antique little place. And it is huge, honestly, it's ginormous. All the zinnias have come and gone. They were beautiful. I'll insert some pictures of what it looked like when they were thriving. I have dahlias in between those that I need to get those tubers out, but this is kind of where we're at. The hummingbirds love it over here, so I put the hummingbird feeders next to it. Now, here I have planted some winter squash, which we will see if that even does anything because it seems pretty late in the game, and a bunch of bush beans. My bush beans, I just fertilized them, so they're doing a lot better. But that's what we have going in there. Once it starts getting more fall-ish weather starting tomorrow, I'm going to plant in some, I believe I wanted to plant some cilantro, some lettuces and stuff like that, which I have them starting from seed over there in the area. That I don't have any dirt for yet, We'll be getting dirt for that soon. It's just we have a baby, there's a lot going on, but we'll get that done soon. And here we have added 2 additional planter boxes, smaller ones, and this is where I'm going to have my sugar snap peas, and those are going to be the climbers that are going to climb over this. And that's kind of what we have going on. But my idea for what I wanted is, I love it. It's beautiful. I think it's such a stunning area of the garden. Like, it's just very peaceful. And I know I just wanted to plant flowers here, but since fall's coming and not a lot of flowers really grow in fall, I thought this would be great for a lot of my fall nonsense. And just a sneak peek of all the things I have going on over here. A lot of plants and seeds I have growing in here that I just started yesterday. Oh my gosh. I started them yesterday, but look at this. How do we already have what is this? Oh, of course. It's the sugar snap peas. Those things have popped up within a day. That is insane. But yeah, so that's what we have going on. Those will be plugged in shortly.